This incredible tool promises to transform how you handle adjustments and alignments in furniture and cabinet doors. If you're looking for practicality, precision, and a professional finish for your projects, you'll want to check out what this adjustment tool has to offer. Imagine adjusting a cabinet door to be perfectly aligned, with a precision range from 0 to 60 millimeters, whether adjusting up or down. Yes, that's right, it allows you to achieve the perfect fit, regardless of the type of door or wood furniture. Made from a durable and lightweight aluminum alloy, this tool is designed with the care needed to grip onto wooden boards of varying thicknesses, from 10 up to 60 millimeters. This means that, whatever the size of your project, this tool adapts. Plus, it comes with a visible marking scale in both metric and imperial, laser-engraved, ensuring that each adjustment is made with precision. This product combines strength and accuracy, all without needing electricity to function. It's entirely manual, giving you maximum control and mobility. And the best part? Even if you're not a professional, this tool is practical and intuitive, helping with any type of wood adjustment and finishing, always with flawless results. For those seeking quality and durability, this is an essential tool for anyone who values top-notch workmanship. So don't miss out, the discount link is in the video description.